There's this quote by Dr. Sara Gottfried, and she said, "Self-care isn't selfish. It's actually mandatory. Fuel your soul so you can give your best to your people. We need all of you." I love that quote, and it is so important to include different ways of taking care of yourself. Self-care can mean many different things to many different people, but I do want to make sure that you do have a self-care routine. So I have a blog post for you with 50 ideas of things that you can be including in your self-care routine. Now, if you have a self-care routine, you might be reading through these thinking, oh, I already do that and I already do that, but I hope I can remind you to stay on track with them, and maybe you'll find a few extra things that you can be including into your schedule. If you do not yet have a self-care routine, then I encourage you to dive in to this blog and get some ideas. You don't have to do them all, and you don't have to dive in and do everything all at once, but I do encourage you to pick out a couple of these and really start implementing them. My focus as a nutrition and health coach is to help you implement really little steps that can make a big difference. So when you do these little things over time, these are the things that are going to help you have more energy, lose weight, feel better, and really set yourself up for a long and healthy life. If you're just meeting me for the first time, my name is Gaylene and I'm the owner of Compass Rose Nutrition and Wellness. I help women really boost their energy and lose unwanted weight with healthy eating and simple lifestyle changes. So this list is from experience of myself, my clients, my friends, my colleagues, and years of experience all combining into one list. Now, if you have other ideas for the list, I would absolutely love to hear from you as well. So put your comment in there and let me know your ideas, and we'll definitely add it on there as things to consider. So taking a couple of these, trying it out, seeing how you can fit it into your schedule, how it can work for you is a really important step. Once you nail one and you do it consistently, add another and another. Save this blog post and refer back to it so that you can keep trying new things. Now, if one doesn't work out, doesn't fit, you don't like it, just pick a different one and try again. Then make it routine, make it part of your habits. And when it becomes part of your habits, you're going to start seeing results. So go ahead, dive in. Here's my 50 simple ways to start a daily self-care practice, and it's available in the blog. So head on over, read through, and I cannot wait to hear what you think. See you over there.